my man's flexing on me. What if I touch your girl? Boop.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been so long, but Octavia has finally done social distancing. I gave her the little tickle that she likes so much, and she came right out into my hand. She hadn't seen Brittany in a long time, so she was kind of nervous at first. I was like, Octavia, don't you remember Brittany? She's your friend. And then they started snuggling right away. It was so cute. I told Octavia that I'd been practicing the finger motions even while I hadn't seen her, and she said that she really liked it. She couldn't let go. Octavia wanted to introduce me to her turtle friend, Nainoa, but he was being
It. 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 It.
Put your head on.
What the heck, Mommy? What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. What do you mean?
Tell Dad.
Don't tell your dad. What the heck? Snitches get stitches, Taryn.
No!
I just hit my fucking window. You good, man? You good? You hit the window hard. Hey, don't go to sleep, bro. Bro, don't go to sleep. You just hit the window hard as fuck. You can't be falling asleep, bro. Chill out. Hey. Sleep. You just hit the window hard as fuck. You can't be falling asleep, bro. Chill out. Sleep. You know we have that.
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony! What's your name? Ezekiel! Fuck you, Ezekiel!
Leaving mate on here. We're gonna check out the perimeter.
Come here.
Did you check back out the camera? We know you're in here. Come out.
Come on, Dad.
Hey! Don't run!